see who's right. You were right,
Ha.
indeed. It's a Lodestar, a very vandalized one. Motor. Oh,
Oh, look at all the stickers on there.
get a load of this, guys. Oh, on this side too. Peep the Donald Trump sticker right there. This kind of reminds me of like a less vandalized version of that music.
Oh, the original music?
Yeah, the record store. Ah, Lodestar. GAL Jet Plus.
Oh, what the heck is the one button doing?
What did it do?
It just went out. Look.
Maybe it goes out early? Really early?
Maybe.
Hey, let's take one more ride.
Okay. Oh, whoa!
What?
Lodestars tend to have bells like that.
See if we can get it to do the down one. Right when the door opens, push 1.
Okay. Oh, don't close it immediately. Trust them.
Oh, drops right away when the door's closed. They got some. Yeah, it's flashing.
Oh, just went out. I didn't catch that.
It was flashing.
Huh.
These really pop out of the wall.
Yeah.
California. Tunk.